Hi baby, I'm your Auntie Jen. I already know your gender, but before I knew, I wish you were a boy. See you soon.
Hi baby! I'm your Tita Young and I know already that you're... Before I knew that, I wanted you to be a boy. So, see you soon! Love you!
Hello, baby. I'm your puppy, Isra. I hope it's a boy, but it's good also to be a girl. We can't wait to see you. Hello.
I'm your kuya. I think you're a girl. Hi baby, I'm your kuya and I think you're a girl.
Hi baby, I'm your Tito Sam. I think you are baby boy. Yes.
Hello baby, I'm your Nanay Lola. I think you are big girl.
Hello baby, I'm your tatay. You are a girl. Baby, I'm your Tito. I think you are a girl.
I'm your Tita La and I think you're a baby girl.
Baby, I'm your Ninang. I think you're a girl. Woo!
Hi baby, I'm your daddy Ninong, Brian, and I think you're a boy.
Hi baby, I'm your Tita and I think you're a girl.
Hello baby, I'm Kuya Vic. I think you're a girl.
Hi baby! I'm your Nilang Shell and I think you're a girl!
Hi baby, I'm your Ninong Dubs and I think you're a boy.
It's a boy.
I'm so excited to see you. Girl. Baby, I'm your Alisa and I think you're a girl. I'm your Ate Beth and I know you're a girl.
Hi baby, I'm your daddy and I know that you are a girl.
You're wearing blue.
It's a girl.
Hi baby, I'm your mom and I'm convinced that you are going to be a baby girl. Think.